Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with my A6 rings flip through using my Cyber Monday mystery kit, and I am super excited about this flip through. It is so dang beautiful in my opinion. If this is going up on Monday, that means I'm probably not putting up a plan with me. I've been having a really rough couple of weeks, like months actually, and I just feel like plan with me's are something that, or planning is kind of something like what, as far as memory keeping planning goes, is something that I like to do kind of by myself sometimes, like when I need it, and I need it right now, so I'm just going to continue doing it kind of by myself. I'm hoping that by the time that the No White Space collab with Jessica, we're doing a collab the week of the 21st, I believe, to the 27th. We're doing a collab where we're going to do like a whole No White Space spread. Because we do plan in white space planning, so I'm hoping by then I'll be like kind of at my sorts. If not, I'm sure Jessica won't care if I do it off camera. But yeah, I know I said I have a plan with me up, but it's not gonna happen. And also, whenever I have bad weeks, I don't want to like relive them and talk about them. So let's go ahead and get into this flip through. I am using an A6 Pele Studio with the white leather with the mermaid scale spine in hollow. This was gifted to me by Jasenia, so thank you so much, Jasenia. It is beautiful. She gifted it to me and I am super thankful for it. Down here I have a ton of charms by Exo Carolyn Designs. I just like to do the big, thick, chunky, jiggly bits, and I put like, I think like 5 sets on here. There's like an open heart, an open moon, some like a heart crystal thing. We got lots of stuff in here, but I love the look of like a full jiggly bit area. Then on the front I have a Fox and Pip bow. This is from Pigtails and Pockets, and it's pink, like a really nice like baby blush pink with hollow stars on it. I do have a bunch of different like hollow stars Fox and Pip bows from Pigtails and Pockets throughout this planner, but I thought the charm was super cute on the front. Then on the inside, let's go ahead and open her up. We have the front area. I am using this pen. This planner does not have a pen loop. I'm also like trying not to mess up my nails because I just painted them. It doesn't have a pen loop, but I'm using this really beautiful pen with actually just one of her regular refills in it, and I've been liking the way it's been writing. And this is the one that came in her January Celebrate kit, and I am super into it. I love the way it looks with the colors in this collection, and I also like the way that it writes. If you guys want to see a flip through of everything that comes in the TN kit itself, definitely check out my last new releases video. All of the items that I mentioned that are from my shop are in the shop currently. Over here I do have the bookmark. I did go ahead and trim it just because it was a little bit tall for the A6 and put it in the pocket over here. I'm pretty sure that you could totally use this still as a bookmark. I thought I heard Bennett crying. As a bookmark, but I thought it looked cute in the pocket. And then I do have this washi card, which is also from Villa Beautiful. You can't even see the design on it, but I really love the size of this. And I used some of the washi's for this collection, along with some skinny 5mm from Simply Gilded and Hollow as well. And just stuck that in there. These Villa Beautiful cards fit perfectly. They fit kind of snug, which is nice because you don't have to like shove it the whole way in for it to stay. Like this isn't coming out, but it's not shoved in the whole way. Like that's the whole way. But I can pull it out and show more colors without it falling out. And then I have another one of those Pigtails and Pockets little bows there. Back here I just kind of like sandwiched a bunch of scraps together. So I have a paper from the TN kit, a piece of acetate as a scrap, and then I have this vinyl decal, which is Marg as a munchkin, which is in my shop, just peeking out. Over here I do have the star acetate with a little bow. My first little dashboard here is the girl journaling card, which I actually really like that the A6, all you have to do is just trim down a little bit on the top and a little bit on the bottom and call it a day for the 4x6 journaling cards. So I thought she looked super cute underneath the acetate with the stars. And then I used the projects tabs here. I think almost all of my inserts are from the Planner Sophisticate, Jasenia printables. I did just put another bow on the back here. And I love these tabs. Like, how cute do these tabs look? I'm in love. So this is the shop project section, and I'm using this for kind of like TN kit / bigger collections that I'm doing that have kind of a lot of pieces, so I can kind of like plan and make sure that I have all of them done. So there's that one. Then I have this dashboard here which has some stuff in it. So this is a sticky pocket from Happy Scrappy, I believe, and I just cut down the edges a little just so it would fit. I think next time when I do my setup, I'm going to cut the dashboards a little bit bigger just to accommodate these pockets. I have a bow paper on the back. I have this, which is just the new layout of the new Scribble Prints Co. office that I mocked up in to scale. Then I have this sticky note, which is me and Mark, and it has munchkins in hollow, like a hollow colorway, and that is in the shop. And then I have this little Furby peeking out there. I just like to put a lot of die cuts kind of in the back here just to kind of spruce this up because I just think it looks cute. And this is my weekly section. So for this, I've been kind of like using this as a like work weekly. So putting in when I'm going to work and stuff. I'm actually going to work on this day, I'm pretty sure. And kind of like any things that I need to remember to do. I kind of didn't use this that much this week. I kind of just used this area. So I had to do a couple of things that I knew I'd forget. Normally I don't really need a super to-do list for work because I know exactly what I need to do. And then these are the releases that I put up this week. And then for next week, I just punched this caboodle as a little bookmark. And then I do have some of these little dangly clips from the Villa Beautiful Celebrate kit. Just marking the page there. Then here I have another piece of that star acetate with the hollow journaling card here with the simplified bow on the back. I did put the A from Fox and Pip, and then I have another bow on top. I have this bow vellum, and then I have the this year section, which I am using to plan out like holidays and specific events that I want to do throughout the year, just so I'm kind of a little bit more on track. And then I think I'm going to be using this to kind of schedule different things that I want to put out. I don't know, like it might be just something kind of as a rough draft that will move around. Then I have this, which is like kind of the spaceship star moon acetate, and then I used this journaling card from the Villa Beautiful Celebrate kit that says the best is yet to come, which I hope so, and then the star paper in the background, and then I put a bow and then the phone down here. This is the important dates section, which I went ahead and put in the plans for my videos. Don't know how all this is going to go, but you know, we try, and then sometimes I just white stuff out. So I just printed out the kind of like one. Normally I do the 2 column, but I figured if this is just for videos, I could just keep that like that. Then here I did trim down this pocket again, and this is another one from Happy Scrappy. I have a sticky note from that Celebrate kit from Shop Villa Beautiful. I did put a hollow Fox and Pip bow on here. I'm kind of wondering if this will come up. I feel like with some undo, these might come up. And another one of those bookmarks. She sold these, not bookmarks, but like clips. She sold these in a pack, and I bought them in a pack, so definitely check them out on Pigtails and Pockets. I put the boppa here, the vellum with another one of those bows. I tried to kind of like keep things like this. I feel like I could use in other setups, like because I just kind of like left it hollow and then the white hollow bow, and like for this one here, I kind of messed up by putting this here, but this was just kind of like a white with hollow and then white with hollow. So I try to kind of do stuff like that, so if I wanted to bring it in later, I could. And then this section here is my weekly that I used for my rewind planning. Jessica does something similar to this where she has like a paper and pen. I had been trying to use my phone for a while, but I feel like I'm not really good at remembering to write things down. So what I've been doing is writing my meals over here, my like thing, like my happy moment, or I don't know, whatever. And then my like what I do, and then I kind of narrow it down and cross things out. Last week's look got really messy, so I'm not going to show you that. Then I have another one of those bow acetates in hollow. This didn't come in the kit. I do have both a bow acetate and a bow sticky pocket pack in my shop, and it has silver, gold, rose gold, and hollow. So if you want to pick those up, it comes in a pack. Then I used a hollow doily from Michaels, and then the little crystal for this little dashboard, and then kind of wrapped it around and did a bow here. I used the bow vellum, and then I just have some notes pages. These are actually grid pages from So Much Crafting, and then I have another one of these clips here. Then on the back of that, I have this stars, moon, and alien acetate again. And then I have a bow dashboard. I think I'm going to put a picture on here. I'm not sure yet. The shoe, the Converse in the background, the bow vellum, and then I have a list it section, which is just kind of normal lists. I haven't kind of transferred all of my stuff from my personal white over yet. I've kind of waited till I could finish this video. And then I just have a bow acetate, a dashboard, which again I might put a picture on. And then I did put the foiled Furby from the foil pack on there. On the back here, I have another little kind of sandwich of things that I put together. So I have paper, acetate, a doily, and then the little vinyl of me as a munchkin. And then I have a Simply Gilded little washi card, which I thought matched this kit perfectly. And then I just threw the Game Boy with the little clip there as well. So that is my entire setup in full, and then I've just been throwing my pen on the inside or just letting it roam around my desk. But I really love, oopsies, I really love the way this planner like setup came together. I have mentioned before that hollow and rose gold aren't like my favorite foils, but I do really love both of these setups. I was actually looking at the Valentine's Day one and just like really like enjoying, really enjoying what I was seeing. I'm not winning today. Really enjoying that setup as well still. Just like looking at it and seeing all of the rose gold and how cohesive everything is. And again, I really love this one with all of the hollow, like all of the tabs and all the hollow spine and the hollow bits and all of this jingle jangle down here. But that is my setup. I hope you guys like this video. Sorry there's no plan with me this week. I hope you guys understand. And if you guys want to pick up this TN kit, the Cyber Monday mystery like 90s galactic theme, it is in my shop along with tons of other goodies that are perfect for your TN or ring planner. So again, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.